Hello friends, welcome to Sanam's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a sweet chutney recipe which is really necessary in all the chaat recipes like samosas, kachori, dabeli, vada pav, pakoras, chaat recipes like pani puri, etc. So this is really sweet, tangy and spicy. So let's get started. And 1 cup of sugar, amchur powder or mango powder, 1 teaspoon of crushed coriander seeds, and half tablespoon of red chili powder. This is Kashmiri red chili powder, which is not that spicy, but it gives a really nice bright color. About 1/4 tablespoon of fennel seeds. This is I slightly crushed it so that it gives nice flavor. 1/4 teaspoon of crushed black pepper and half teaspoon of black salt. Now if you don't have black salt, you can use chaat masala instead. Cumin seeds, which I have roasted and slightly crushed, is about 1 teaspoon. And along with all these, we need water and salt as per taste. So let's get started. Now take a saucepan, add sugar, amchur powder, red chili powder, black salt, black pepper, roasted cumin, fennel seeds, coriander, 1 cup of water. Whisk everything together. Make sure there is no lumps. Thickening up and become glossier. So now you can see it's started boiling. So until it comes to another boil, I'm going to turn off the heat. Wow, look at the color, it's really bright and red. Boil, so now I'm going to turn off the flame and let it cool down. So the chutney has completely cooled. Now I'm going to transfer it to a bowl. Meethi chutney hai. It is so yummy, I can't resist. It's so yummy. It's sweet, it's sour, it's bursting with all that flavors of cumin and fennel seeds and coriander. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching, and please like, comment. If you like to request more recipes, please let me know in the comment box below. Thank you so much for watching.